Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and today I am going to make Kalakand or Kalakand or milk cakes. This is a very simple recipe and I will recommend you definitely try this at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. In this recipe, I have used homemade chhana, but you can replace it with paneer or you can make the chhana beforehand and keep it in the fridge and take it out whenever you are ready to make this kalakand. For making chhana, I have taken 1 liter of whole milk and started heating. I have squeezed juice of 1 lemon and set it aside. When the milk starts boiling, turn off the heat and add the lemon juice gradually while stirring with a spatula. You can see milk curdling within a few seconds. Take a thin cotton cloth and place it over a colander. Strain the chhana on the cotton and sift the greenish whey. Pour some cold water on the chhana so that the lemon smell goes away. Squeeze it lightly to take out excess water. This is the freshly made chhana or cottage cheese. Collect the sides of the cloth and hang the chhana for 8 hours. You can keep the chhana in the fridge for 7 days. This one I have prepared beforehand and took out of the fridge when I am ready to make this kalakand. I will knead the chhana just to break the lumps. We don't need to work on it for a long time. I have taken this chhana or cottage cheese in a pan and added 1 cup of condensed milk in this. I have turned the heat on and have mixed with a spatula and roughly broke the lumps. We don't need to make it too smooth. We have to keep on stirring, otherwise it will burn. I have added some crushed green cardamoms in the mixture. After 5 minutes, it's ready. And I am taking it out in a lined pan and flatten the surface with my spatula. Decorate with some sliced pistachios and let it cool down at the room temperature before we chill it in the refrigerator. Cut the kalakand in the squares and serve chilled. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos.